Welcome to High Desert Family Doodles. This is Mama Maple, our new mama. She just birthed these 7 beautiful party babies last night. We filmed the process and I thought you would like to see her journey. So thanks for joining us. Hope you like following along. The temp dropped today, so she's showing signs in that direction. She just started panting early this morning. We had a pretty restless night sharing this bed, little twin bed in our puppy nursery. Just trying to get comfortable all night. So I could tell she was close. She's at day 62, so we would expect puppies by now or by tomorrow at the latest. Oh, mama. And I think we're doing it today. So to be posted. Like I said, she's panty. This is the first that she's this panty. She hasn't really been digging much yet or trying to find a new spot, but she just wants to be close, try to get comfy. She's doing a little licking. Definitely has had some great growth in the last couple days. I thought she was getting ready and her babies just had to get bigger, I guess. So we'll keep you posted on how she's doing and try to film the breakfast. So we'll just sitting and waiting all day long. Yeah, I'm not surprised. Mama's like to have puppies at night, so I tried to take a nap today. Didn't really work ever. In preparation just to be up most of the night, I'm sure, with this mama. But it just dawned on me, it's crazy. We like to do birth as natural as possible and let mama do a lot of it on her own. I'm always with her and trying to be close, helpful. I keep her clean and the puppies, away from the next puppy when they are having them, etc. But I just was thinking about how it's pretty crazy. This is a new mom for me. We'll see how she does. But time and time again, I've had new moms and old moms just know what to do. They just know, They just know. So I was just talking to Mabel, going, do you know what's happening? I don't know if you do. Or what's about to be in your world. A lot of the time they get, even experienced moms, like the first puppy comes out and they're like, what was that? And then they have a hard time getting settled and figuring out how to nurse. And they settle really quickly in. But, since this is her first time, it'll just be interesting to see how that goes for Mabel, my sis. And yeah, it does just amaze me. So hopefully you'll get to experience and witness that. Unlike me, it's not like anyone has told her what to expect of her kind. Maybe she has conversations with Luna and Yossi, and they've told her all the things in the middle of the night in their doggy language, but so different, right, than all the preparing and anxiety and all the things that we go through. It's really easy to humanize dogs when we talk about whelping and litter care and puppy care and all the things, and it's different, but we still like to be there with them, and as much as we can just let the miracle happen and be. It's just such a cool process and thing to witness moms bringing life into the world. So just breeder thoughts. There you go. Pre-whelp, what we think about as things about to go down. So there you go. For a little bit, sweet mama, her belly just popping. But still just wants to be, she couldn't be any closer. She wants to be right on me. But here we are, still waiting. It's definitely getting closer. We just moved from our break spot on the couch where she could just get comfortable on top of me and I could be a little more comfortable outside the box too. Back in here, she wanted to kind of come in, so she has designated this as her nesting spot, which is great. She's not really familiar with the whelping box, but I think she just knows she needs to find space. Poor mama, she's just falling asleep against the rail. So I would love for her to have puppies before it's not too late for her sake. But my other thought as I prepared was, what is the difference between, you know, what we do here at High Desert Family Doodles with our moms and with our deliveries, the so-called backyard breeder, just doing one thing, all the excuses you get for somebody that might not do breeding as a job, is what I would say, and or not do everything to take care of their future puppy owners with all the things from the beginning. And so in my mind I was like, I haven't shown off a lot of our spaces, so I'm gonna do that real quick. Sweet girl. As you can see over here, I've already got our incubator on. I didn't used to put it on every time, but I kind of thought, why would I not use it if I had it? So I just set that up immediately. I still have my puppy basket to get puppies, you know, out of the way as she delivers more, with a heating blanket. But my incubator's on, with a first-time mom or any mom that's had any issues. We'll see what's going on here. I always have that ready, but now any birth is just there. Under the pink cover here is my oxygenator, which I don't necessarily need to set up to have immediate use for, so I don't have it plugged in, but it's a quick plug in, turn on, and it's working. My whelping cart is full of supplies that I could need and always need, between puppy rags to help wipe off, keep clean. I've got gloves and bigger rags here, like what I use for my scale, or just keeping things extra sanitary between like the layer of sanitation and also something I can clean every time. I've got my calcium stuff. Right next to me are my scissors, my clamps, my bulb in case I need it for clearing airway, up in this basket up here. I also have my tubes for my oxygenator, and they just sit right here. Some other emergency supplies, a dealie to suck out fluids in case I need them, and I also have, I can't remember the brand name, but essentially like a mask for puppies that can either suck, or then that I can also switch and give air in like a CPR situation. So I have used those things before, and I just am always prepared. We never know how things are going to go, and even with our experienced mamas that have had great litters, we've had one struggle that, you know, might have not made it with natural selection, but I have kept going, and now, you know, is totally fine, even in the other litter that I have on the ground right now. So those are the things I'm doing to get ready, get prepped, that you should have on hand. Obviously, dogs can whelp out in a barn or out in, you know, the wilderness. I think of that often. Like, what would it be like if she wasn't in my home? And yes, they could totally whelp out in the wilderness, but that's why they do things like clean up so well, because that's what they normally would have to do, and, you know, instinctually nurse and find like little dens and caves, you know, all that to say, they can do those things, but we can go the extra mile to make sure, you know, they're cared for extra as domesticated animals, because they're not wild animals that have to know all those things for themselves all the time, you know, in normal life. So why should we expect that in a birthing situation too? So that's what I think sets a good breeder apart. All that to say is just being prepared and carrying through the beginning processes all the way to the end. So yeah, that's another thing on my mind. I know this is a big ramp up, but I've also been, I mean, didn't do anything to my hair, my look. I woke up like this morning, and I've just been like with her all day. You know, we didn't sleep very well all last night. It's a often a 24-hour process, and the next few nights I won't sleep great because I'll be making sure, she's nursing well. I'm trying to figure out how to lay well around her babies, don't have a puppy stuck under a pig rail, all the things. And I still have a 1-week-old litter that I'm also taking care of all the same. So thankfully Mama was just able to, she just hit that peak of wanting to be out with us and more social, is taking great care of her babies. They're all getting well. If they weren't, then I'd be in a different fatigue and different situation, trying to care for them while caring for her and not necessarily able to just sit the whole time, all day with my mama. But I do. That's just what makes me feel comfortable and that they're extra cared for, especially again with a new mom that is probably not sure what's going on. Totally. All she wants is to just be right near me or right on me. She's kind of like uncomfortably trying to find a spot, but as best she can, she's wanting to be on top of me. So here we are, probably all night. To be continued. try that. I can tell she's getting close to another pushing session, so I've got the heating pad ready. I can pull her off anytime. Try to get Mama familiar. Good girl. Yeah, did your baby. First baby for Miss Maple. Good girl. Sweet little girl. So cute. So she'll go in there for a little bit. Good girl. Mama pushes another one out. Good girl, Mama. Pushing again. Good girl. You're such a good girl. Yeah, good girl. So hopefully we can get her to get that placenta out at this next baby. I don't know if you can tell, but she didn't quite get it out. There it is, though. Good girl, Mama. Good girl. Does help moms to stay up. Use gravity. Good girl. Good girl. These are big babies for her. Seems like they're not, but good girl. One more push. One more push, Mama. You can still see baby in the sack, which is totally fine. I just don't like him to fall. Good girl. Push, push. Good girl, Mama. Good girl. Try not to pull too much either because I don't want to break the sack. And I don't want to rip the placenta off. Good girl. Come on. You can see the float's coming though. Oh. One more big push, Mama. Come on. Good girl. There we go. Maple. Can you open the baby? Yeah. Come on. Come on. Come on. No, you don't really know what's going on, huh? So let me get that baby out for her. Good girl. This is not easy to do with one hand, so I'm probably going to have to put you down, audience. And we're going to grab a clamp. Okay, I help Mama by cleaning this one up. Look at how pretty. Another little girl. Just going to keep her warm. She's always, a little bit uneasy, but also being obviously very careful. Good girl, Mama. Yeah, that's your baby. Good girl. I did have to clamp and just cut the cord and then take the placenta away, so she might be kind of looking for it, but she's got 5 others to if she gets there, and it also does help stimulate contractions, give her some extra energy. Good girl, Mama. Good girl. So I'm gonna try to get both these babies on and sneak away and grab her some ice cream. Yeah, good girl. It's okay. Let's get you both babies on if we can. Can we get both these babies on and I'll go get you some treats? Yeah, this one needs to just find this nipple in here. Good girl. Good girl, Mama. Yeah, those are your babies. Oh, she's gonna steal the milk out of the other one. Use this one. Or grab this one. There you go. There we go. It's amazing how fast they figure it out too. Okay, I'm gonna go get you some ice cream. Can you stay there with those babies? Oh, Mama. So we give our mamas calcium art in ice cream form. They just love it. Between puppies, she got those 2 little girls in. Good girl. She and Luca both carry party jeans, so that we expect them all to be this party coloring, which is so pretty. And we'll see if I get any more videos. I'm not gonna take videos in sacrifice of the puppies being healthy if she's not gonna help take care of them, but usually they catch on pretty quick. She's already a lot more comfortable nursing. Yeah, good girl. They immediately clean them. Puppies for the first couple weeks don't eliminate on their own, so mom helps stimulate them, takes care of them. Good girl. Yeah, it's pretty miraculous, huh? started pushing again, so I moved all the babies. But it's only been almost 2 hours and she's had 5 puppies, which is fast and great. Her last puppy that I didn't get on film, she pulled out, cleaned up, cut the cord, all on her own, and so I thought I would try to get that one more time. I'll show you how far she's come just in one delivery, which is wild and crazy and awesome. But that's just the nature of how they settle in. She's being attentive to her babies. They're over in the incubator getting warm, because I also just then stripped pads away so that she was on a dry layer. But we're also kind of resting. Could be between horns, even though I would have thought that already happened. Yeah, we'll see what happens. She's doing really great.
Seeing eyes of mine, what do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try to fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll change it, change it. Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert I can look at you with love. Seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow? Grow the hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but we'll change it, change it. I would like to tell you mine and my street. I would like to go with you into the street. Please don't deny your love makes me feel alive. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try to change it. I wanna be loved by you. Loved by you. Loved by you.
Just took him out of the warmer. Almost got one left, but she was in a break.
Seeing
Sorry about his
eyes
babies.
of mine.
I have so many heating pad
What do you
options.
feel beside?
Just wanted to
I
check on
don't
him.
know where we're gonna fly like
She's
you
a lot
did
fun.
sometimes.
He lay down.
Seeing eyes of mine.
And then
Love, love, love,
check
I
out why
wanna
they
be
were off
strong,
weekend.
strong. We're doing
Good
wrong,
mama.
wrong, wrong, but I'll try to
What she needs to
fix
do.
it. Love, 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 I Strong, we're doing wrong, but I'll change it. Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert, I can look at you with love. Seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow the hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, 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 I wanna be strong. We're doing wrong, but I'll fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong. We're doing wrong, but we'll change it. I would like to tell you mine and my street. I would like to go with you into the street. Please don't deny your love makes me feel alive. Love, 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 I wanna be strong. We're doing wrong, but I'll fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong. We're doing wrong, but I'll try and to change it. I wanna be loved by you.
Baby just arrived. I'm gonna let her just settle down, do some bonding, and then I'll clean her up, do a full wipe down of this place. But you can tell I've already pretty much done my layers so that I had a clean spot underneath all this. She just needs to get cleaned up too. So all together, we did so good, mamas. Almost 3 hours and 7 babies. And I think we're done. Good girl, Maple. We're settling in for the night. Got Maple all cleaned up. I got changed her bedding, started laundry, all the things. We already had some pudding. We have food and water that'll get her a couple times through the night. And then I'll just hang out. We get to just check it out together. She's doing awesome. Just like a natural mom. Thought she would be. So that is a new mom journey. Welcome, sis. And we'll keep you posted. I'll have to do another video on how she's doing with nursing and milk and all the things. But Maple's delivery, there it was.